Hi there, today we're gonna talk about rust which grows on the onions, and usually this doesn't go away with some rust remover. Usually we have to apply some kind of fungicide such as sulfur or something else which is organic, and here we can see it is similar to pollen, so this will propagate even more. When you have onions in close contact, when the wind moves the leaves around, they will get cross-contaminated. So there are 2 steps to take to reduce the amount of rust we have on onions or garlic. First, we put a bit of spacing from one onion to another when we plant them, and 2, we can apply some organic fungicide before the rust appears. Usually rust doesn't affect the onions a lot. If they are just about to be harvested, these only need another month and they will be harvested, so it won't affect much the final product. It isn't dangerous, as when it dries up, the rust will go away. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe and give us a thumbs up.